Hey guys, welcome. I have a great video here for you. So welcome. So this video, this not video, but this WordPress theme here I'm going to share with you. It's a hotel booking site, and right now it's only $13. Great deal. I purchased it, I checked it out, and it was a secret inside. So I'm going to show you guys the secret inside. It's only $13. It's a WordPress theme, hotel booking site that I think you guys don't like. It's only $13 and it's amazing. And the one great thing about it is that the developer, he's also added on additions to it. So right now it's $13, but he's still building on. So who knows what the price gonna be after you finish? It's a good time to get it now. Let me show you. All right. So here is the WordPress theme right here. You see here it's $13. Amazing price. Right now it had 54 sales. I think the developer just put it out like quiet, and while he continued to build it out. So it is a great time to purchase it. So here is the WordPress theme here. Great layout, great features. So let's dig into the demo. So here, when you go to it, it's a demo. It tells you different options, what your hotel can be like, beautiful, this and that third, only $13. You click this button here for the demo. This is a demo right here, you guys. So guys, this is really nice. So not only if you have a single hotel, this is great. But also, it's a hack inside of this theme. I'm going to show you. First, let's go through the single hotel listing. But if you want to start your own Airbnb, you have multiple hotels, multiple listings, multiple rentals, properties that you want to have people book, and you're looking for a website for that. Here we go. So this is the demo right here for the single property. Really nice, great options. It's built nicely. It's really nice, you guys. You guys definitely. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can check it out. You got different room types, different grill types. Log in. So you see here the button right here. It's a pop-in login. Nice. Also, not only that, it also have a jump up button. As you see, it pops out right here. And then the sign up button right here for your account, contact. It's really nice. Definitely check out yourself. See what you think. This right here, just a quick video. Let me go through a couple room layouts real quick. Here's one option. It's really nice. I really think you guys gonna like it. Let's go through. Here is the grill layout. Here's grill 2 layout. It's really nice. But also, as you might look at, hey, does it come with like a filter or something? It does. So you go right here to search, and here you go. Options, amenities here. It's really nice. Check in. It's really nice. It's a really nice hotel site. Let me show you different options here. The layout of the room. This is really nice. Really nice bookings, information, contact. It's really nice. But one thing I really liked about it was this right here. You can hide this. You can hide anything on here. You can hide it, show it. If you don't want to show it, you can hide it. You can add icons here. But one thing I like is this right here. You see how it separates? I think a lot of WordPress themes should offer this. You can separate the images based on location. You see here? It's really nice. I like the way that separates, so you can see the difference. You can save. Users can log in, have their own account, save their favorites, their bookings. If they book on your site, it will show their bookings available, things like that. Let me show you different layouts for gallery here. This is a nice one too. It's really nice, you guys. And it's only $13. This is my favorite layout right here. This one right here. It's really nice. But like I told you before, this is great. But I told you before, if you are looking to start your own Airbnb, you have multiple properties yourself, you have another website, you're looking to upgrade your site. Let me show you another one. So when you purchase this theme and you go and set it up and you want to do the demo and install all the demo content, this is where you go right here. Also, remember, you guys, always update your WordPress theme. Do not allow it to say, please update. Once it show this, update it right away. So here we go. This is right here. So this is the hack. So normally you think you just get in this one, but when you purchase it and you go to download it, you have an extra one. And this is the one they're working on right now. Setting it up so you can start your own like Airbnb site, things like that, or if you just want to list your own rental properties that you have to book, it's right here. And then you could demo import, and then here we go, the demo right here. That's it right here, you guys. It's really nice. Locations, as you see here, these layouts and locations. It's really nice. And another thing is that you can customize everything. There's a filter here. You can customize it, set it up. Your logo is going to go here, and then your menu. So it's really nice. Let's go to quick search. And as you see, layout right here, and all by different locations. See, pricing, you can change the pricing, all that stuff like that. As you see, it's totally different layout from before. See how this one is set up? This one is totally different. And it's also based on location. So different locations, you get the host information. It's really nice. Save it, favorites, the whole nine. And you can customize it just the way you want. I'm not gonna get into the back end and stuff like that. That's gonna be for a whole nother video. If you're interested, let me know, comment, and I'll show you that. But you guys, start your own Airbnb site, start your own, list your own properties. Customers can book. Go here. You can put also additional prices here, like breakfast. You can put certain ones that they require. Like this one you can choose, but this one you can't remove it because you can require them to pay that no matter what. And then you can put cleaning fee if you want to put that also. And they can choose between parking and breakfast included. So, and then you can customize this. It's really nice. They also have the images that I like with the little curve. So there you go, you guys. $13. Check it out. This comes with a secret WordPress theme inside of the hotel theme for your next Airbnb site. Book your own rentals, things like that. Nobody knows about this. There's no video out about this. So you guys, I got you. So check it out, download it, comment. I'll put the link in the description for you guys. Check it out. All right, you guys. Next time. Till next time.